It works because people have the same goal. You can't succeed without having that sense of trust and relying on others. What they bring is essential. It pulls the pieces together. It gives you an understanding of how people achieve something that is far beyond reach. And you have to try and find the right dynamic and the right mix. There has to be constant communication. Otherwise, it's simply set up to fail. Winning doesn't just happen. It happens through a ridiculous amount of hard work. There's an importance to share knowledge. It's how people view what their goals are and how they want to get to them. They know what they can do to help each other, and they can push each other on. It really is how far you can be pushed. They need to see success. You need to feel it. It needs to be tangible. And that's actually a lesson that just applies to life.